Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this video. All of the highlights from Hot Rod and Custom at Beaulieu. new for 2022, I'm choosing just one car from all of the vehicles on display at the show as my car of the show, and it was going to go to this Ford Capri here, which not only has it got twin superchargers, it's also got twin turbos on there. However, it was pipped by this 1956 Chevy panel van. This was actually used to smuggle moonshine, which of course moonshine, hot rods, very, very closely connected. That's what they used to smuggle moonshine around originally. And when the father of the family died, it was left to rot in a garden. Now, Andy Harrison saw this vehicle and managed to rescue it from that garden, and loads have been stolen off it. Engine, gearbox, props, seats, you name it. It was in a right sorry state, and he managed to bring it back to the UK and do a sympathetic restoration on it, and he uses it rain or shine, moonshine, so what I did there? No, that's bad. He still uses it pretty much every single day. It's got a 5.7 litre V8 in it, and what I loved most about it was on the sign next to it was brakes, sometimes if you stomp on them, steering like a pig on roller skates. And for that reason, it wins my car of the show. I have the pleasure and the delight of introducing the fabulous Jitterbug Jive. I have the privilege and the pleasure of introducing the absolutely fabulous company B UK. Ladies and gentlemen, can I please ask you to give the biggest Beaulieu welcome you've done so far today, and can you put your hands together for the Bandits?
Don't you step on my blue suede shoe. You can do anything but stay off of my blue suede shoe. Take it away from.
We are going to start with our first award, which is the Classic American Magazine Car of the Year Heat winner. Okay, so for this you will win £200 and a space on their stand at the Classic Motor Show at the NEC in November, and it is going to Michael Nash in this absolutely superb 1967 Dodge Coronet. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Our next award is the best bike, and I know it as Moody Blue, and it is over here for you, ladies and gents. Please put your hands together for our best bike award, and it's known as Moody Blue. Moody Blue. Why Moody Blue?
Because it's blue.
Is she moody?
Yes, very, very moody.
Is this a complete custom build, or did it start as something?
It's a complete custom built, one-off, hand-built frame, tank, oil tank, fenders, seat, handlebars, pipes, totally rebuilt the engine, and all hand engraved with a hammer and a chisel by a guy who was 89 years old.
Wow, that's not a motorbike, that's a work of art.
Yes, it is, but very good work of art.
Right then, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our next award winner. This is our best custom. Come on in, sir, come on in. Come on, there's loads of you there, put your hands together, let's hear you. I have never seen one of these in real life outside of a museum. Coming up next for you is our best hot rod. Ladies and gents, put your hands together for this. Just look at this. Do you know what you smell of? Fuel. Cool. Just cool. Come on, come join me out here. This is a am I reading this right? 1932? Yep. I tell you what, when I'm 90, I hope I look as good as this. Now, coming up next, in association with the Solent Renegades, who have helped us put on this show, big thanks to Solent Renegades for this, it is our best American, which is going to this 1956 Buick. Hello there, sir. How are you? Come out and join me. Put your hands together for your best American here. Hello, how are you?
Right, fine, thank you, fine.
You must be pleased.
I'm very pleased.
Coming up next, we should have a special award, and this is the Andy Saunders Award, a Volvo Amazon estate.
What I wanted to do was give an award to a custom. It kind of, because I only do customs, it's got to be a custom. And this is a low budget, but very, very pretty car. And it's the sort of car that a lot of people that are interested, if they wanted to get into this scene, this is achievable by a lot of people. Mike's made a super job of the roof. The paint on the roof is very late 60s, early 70s custom paint. It's pretty. There's so much work gone into that people can't see, like the recessed door handles and all that. It's just a nice car, which is, if it inspires someone else to build a car, then that makes the scene bigger.
So we have had 6 awards, which leaves 1 left. And it is going to this 1963 Chevy pickup. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for your best in show. Put your hands together for me. Come out and join me. I tell you what. You've only gone and won best in show.
Holy. Yeah. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
You are live. Please do not swear. You must be pleased.
I am very pleased. Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about your 63.
Well, I haven't had it long, so they're outside. And basically, it was a pro touring truck when I got it, and I've just toned it down a bit and made it look the way it is now.
When you say toned it down,
well,
when you stamped on the loud pedal just, it didn't sound very toned down. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, underneath this video you'll find a thumbs up. Hit that right next to the subscribe button. Hit that, you'll get a new video from me every week. Coming up next is a very special video. It is the Beaulieu 50th, 50 years of the National Motor Museum. That video is coming up in a couple of weeks' time. If you can make it, please do. If you can't make it, don't worry, the video will be online the same day. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you again soon. He's coming a little bit. Just wait there for me. Wait there. Wait. 1 second. Wait for me. I'm talking about a bike. Back it up. You'll have your award in a minute.